Hello everyone, this is Payal Goyal and welcome to Positive Talk. Engineering college. Yes, the moment we enter into the engineering college, we just have this dream. MNC में job, एक decent सा package और अगर एक दो साल के बाद ऑन साइट जाने का मौका मिल जाए फिर तो बात ही क्या है, लाइफ पूरी सेट है. But probably after 15 to 20 years of working in these MNCs, when life is actually set, एक अच्छा खासा पैकेज होता है, फाइनेंशियली वी आर सिक्योर्ड, घर भी होता है अपना, लविंग सी प्यारी सी फैमिली होती है, किड्स स्टडिंग इन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बेस्ट स्कूल ऑफ द टाउन. तब एक वो फीलिंग आती है, अनफुलफिलमेंट वाली फीलिंग. ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ में सब कुछ होने के बाद में भी कहीं कुछ मिसिंग है या कहीं कुछ और भी चाहते थे हम. बट वो क्या है अनफुलफिलमेंट वाली फीलिंग? सब कुछ होते हुए भी कुछ कमी वाली फीलिंग, विच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल्सो, क्योंकि कोई समझ ही नहीं पाता कि यार सब कुछ तो अच्छा खासा चल रहा है, अभी और क्या चाहिए. और इस सब के साथ साथ जो होता है कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ का स्ट्रेस. यस, स्ट्रेस इन कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, स्ट्रेस, डेडलाइंस, लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स, उस सब के बीच में फंस के रह जाता है एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. तो क्या क्या अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर की लाइफ में, वो सब शेयर करने के लिए ही आए हैं मेरे आज के गेस्ट मिस्टर रवि, who is working in an MNC from more than 15 years, is a loving husband and a doting father to a 3-year-old girl. Hello, Ravi. Welcome to my show.
Yeah, hi everyone.
Hi. Welcome, Ravi. So,
Hello,
how are you
hello,
doing?
Payal. Yeah, thank you very much, Payal. So hope you're doing great.
Yeah,
Thanks
yeah.
for bringing me here.
It's all our pleasure. Today, we are going to learn a lot what all challenges you go through.
Yes,
So, let's start from your journey since you have worked for more than 15 years, right? Or
yes,
at the time of the start of the career, no one knows कि क्या क्या होते हैं. मतलब they just go with lot of expectations with all positivity. So, what
right.
difference do you feel is there, like in actual life, that you are left, actual experience you are gaining versus your expectations at the start?
Yeah, I think I mean as you clearly mentioned in the beginning, Payal, we see no we see it as a dream when we think about being in an IT job, especially those days, even the pre-COVID days, where
Mhm.
people were dreaming about on-site. So when I started my career, IT was kind of equivalent to going on-site. It's more than the salary what you get. Then comes is the salary. So I think to get in more in touch with the audience, so I would like to share a brief about myself so that audience easily connect हो सकते हैं मेरे साथ.
Okay.
Like I started my career when I was just 18 years old.
Oh.
I did my diploma in engineering, diploma in computer science, and then I got a job in a kind of a mid-sized company where the headcount was around 1,000 plus. Then after a year of working there, so I got an option to work for engineer. I mean go to engineering college, which is a part-time classes. So being at work, along with work, I had to continue my engineering for 3 years. Then I completed my engineering when I was 21. So it's like job plus classes, then continued with almost 15 years. So I was 18 when I joined. It was in 2006. I think by today I've completed more than 15 years no, in the corporate world. No, so I mean it's a very long journey. Though there are a lot of ups and downs, especially when I was in my college days, working along with doing your classes. It was too hectic times. Otherwise, yes, there was some kind of fulfillment, some challenges, and no, I don't know, kind of it made me to think on completely different aspects of life. And now I'm on my journey to do something way better than or way more than what I have been doing since last 15 years. Happy to share my story here.
So, what are the differences you feel? Like, what was your expectations? You said when you joined, when
Yes,
you entered at that time, and now you
yes,
are living the reality. So, is it like that all goody goody,
yes.
or what are the specific challenges you would like to mention?
uh, So yes, yeah. Let me be very frank. I want to share the glimpse of whatever I felt over the last 15 years. This is completely my personal story. I'm not recommending anything specific here. No, because you just take it as your my story and
Yes.
see how it resonates with no you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Payal, to be frank, I was very much focused about money, Payal. No, when I was about to join no the first company. If I remember my first salary, it was not even salary. We call that a stipend.
Hmm.
I was no, I joined as a trainee. Let me be frank, my first stipend was 2,500 rupees per month. So in 2006. Now
2006.
it's almost 15 years. Yeah, it's almost 2000. I mean, 15 years from now.
Hmm.
I don't think it's almost no, maybe 50 to 100 times more than what I was getting.
Yes.
But no, if you ask me, are you feeling fulfilled? It's a big no for me.
Hmm.
So what I understood for today is running behind money is the biggest mistake what we do. Yes,
Yeah.
agree, money is important. Even that was the no, the major part of my life. I know I badly needed it, but at the same time, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, still fine. But if you somewhere feel that is not your fruit, that is not your cup of coffee,
Hmm.
then you have to consciously take out decisions. Otherwise, if you cross maybe 5 years or especially 10 years, it is like a well, you just go very deep into it.
Hmm.
And I don't say it is very difficult, but it's very very challenging. I- Unless you are mentally very very strong, it's
Hmm.
very very challenging to come out of it. So
Yes.
though you earn money now I told right, it's almost 60 to 70 no times of salary what I'm getting, but still fulfillment wise, no.
Hmm.
Life wants you to do something else completely out of an IT job or out of the lakhs or the 5 figure salary what you're getting. So
Yes.
just be conscious for all
Hmm.
the youngsters.
So what you do, like when you get this full feeling of unfulfillment, are you trying to do
Mm,
something, or what do you recommend? Like how,
yes.
if you are like going through that phase, so what do you recommend to
Yeah.
the youngsters, like how they just go through it?
So what I suggest is when I say IT or dreaming about IT job, just don't focus or give your 100% time just to this.
Hmm.
Just keep exploring other things as well. It could be any sport. I mean, you could be in singing, you could be in like sports or fitness, whatever it is.
Yes.
What we do is no running behind money make you to completely submerge in just your work. Don't do that. That is the mistake which I had done.
Hmm.
Just keep doing alternate things. What I say is 80-20.
Hmm.
80% okay, since you are just joined the organization, you have to just definitely have promised something to them to
Yes.
achieve. Give 80% of your time,
Hmm.
20% keep aside. No, whatever you like to do.
Hmm.
So with that, you'll get to know tomorrow. If you don't, I mean, if you feel like yes, you have to come out for some time, you will know what else will work best for you.
Yes.
ऐसा क्या है वो IT से भी बहुत मजा दे सकता है मुझे.
Hmm.
That is something was my biggest mistake. Again it depends on lot of things, because I had a lot of personal responsibilities. I was the only earning person.
Hmm.
Definitely, I mean, I don't think everyone will be in the same path. Definitely, if you have a good background, don't stick into that. Definitely it's a desktop job, and you wouldn't be doing many creative things here,
Hmm.
especially unless you are into a kind of creative or a designer job. I'm into programming. So this
Hmm.
is my kind of key takeaway. I very much stress on this for youngsters,
Hmm.
especially who have not passed through 5 years.
Hmm.
Definitely, I mean, these days, I mean, people who have even completed 5 years, they are into entrepreneurship now. Now,
Yes.
this is a completely kind of a digital transformation these days.
Yes.
When I joined in 2006, I think I did not even have an internet connection and
Hmm.
not even having a smartphone. I just have a 1100 Nokia, if you
Yes.
remember.
I too
So, I
totally
mean, now
relate with
think,
all this. Yes.
yeah, so now we have come past very long time. Now things have changed. I think you are in a golden era, what I say. I mean,
Hmm.
people who have joined recently or are about to join the corporate world, you can learn anything. It's just a click of a button.
Hmm.
That was not the case when I joined. It was all about documents, reading documents and learning things, or read physical books.
Yes.
So what I feel is explore on your passion, and
Hmm.
also try figuring out your purpose of life. Basically, I mean, that could be a very bigger sentence at this point of time, especially somebody who's at 18 or 20 who are just starting their career.
Hmm.
So what I say is, job is not everything. There is your life out of your job.
Yes.
So just don't don't get up or don't sleep just because of job. But people say job is everything. I'm very passionate. I have to learn. I have to earn. I have to succeed. Don't assume success is not just money. What you earn from a corporate world.
Mm, we have
Definitely,
lost
yeah.
you. Ravi, Ravi, we
Hello.
actually lost that dialogue totally. Yes. The last thing that
Can
you
you hear me
said,
now?
we
Can you hear me
totally.
now?
Yes, yes, now I can.
Want me to repeat?
Yes, because I think that's
Yeah. So
great learning. Yes.
yeah, the motto is, if you
Mm,
ask me, let's say, seeing me, if
mm,
somebody asks me to coach them, the
mm,
first sentence what I tell them is, don't go because of money.
yes.
Let's say somebody asks you, you work for 12 to 14 hours with me, I'll
Mm,
give you maybe 200% more than what the other person is offering you.
yes.
Don't go. Think of it. Think of it, because definitely 200% just with the numbers, you'll just enter into it. But do
Yes.
you know how stressful it will be? Do you
Mm,
know mentally how challenging it would be if you just get into it and if you can't come out? So
yes.
money, keep it as the kind of okay, keep it as 50-50. 50% it should match to your goal, purpose, or passion, whatever. It should at least be nearby that.
Yes.
Some people I've seen, they're very passionate about coding, very passionate about gaming,
Mm,
no, creating apps, no,
mm,
no, some impacting society through no, software products or
mm,
technology. Then it's fine. But to be frank, I'm not that guy. I
mm,
really focused on some kind of success being in corporate world to improve myself, self development, your communication, and also earn some money. Definitely, I was not very much passionate about software programming. So
mm,
think about it, guys. Take some time.
mm,
So even if it gets delayed for a few months or a year, just think
mm,
about it deeply and also make sure it serves your purpose of life.
yes.
Not just it serves your family and your basic needs for survival. Okay, fine. 3 years, 4 years is still fine.
Mm,
After that, get some break. Uh, sit at some place. I don't know, whatever way you do. Maybe you meditate, or no, you take a kind of rejuvenation or whatever it is. I mean, anyways, whether I say it or not, life will make you to go get into that situation.
yes.
Life made me. I went to that situation maybe 5 years ago. Life will definitely give you a chance to come out of it and think on it.
Mm,
It's not just IT. I can say any private corporate world, which expects you to work for longer time than expected, and which is very dynamic in nature.
mm,
It's not that. It's not a bank. It's not a bank where you just work for five and after five you won't even sit for a second.
yes.
No, it's not that. Don't think when people say it is just 9 to 5. No,
No, it's not
it's
any.
completely. I completely disagree with that. 9 to 5 is just a number. What they say or what you feel. It is very much beyond it.
Mm, mm. So what I got from yours is कि keep working. What
Yeah.
an audience should learn: keep working, keep learning, keep learning, but take time for yourself.
Yes.
Follow your
Yes.
passion,
Yes.
follow your dreams.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Correct? Don't lose yourself within this journey in just earning money.
Correct. But to be frank, I lost it, Payal. I completely lost myself. But you can just imagine 15
Mm,
years for now, how difficult or how challenging was it to come out of that slowly, being a family man, being a single earning person. But
mm,
I think I'm confident. I'm very confident about myself. I'm mentally strong.
mm.
So I think that was I think helpful. Maybe it has come through genetics, maybe, but
Yes.
not many will be of same kind, right? Many will have a lot
Not
of
many are
no
that,
issues,
yes.
conflicts at their personal end as well. Yeah, घर में भी प्रॉब्लम रहता है, ऑफिस में भी ये रहता है, एंड ऑल्सो वो जॉब के लिए और सैलरी को completely dependent होके रहते हैं, right? Now at that point of time, it's kind of a do or die situation for you. So
Mm,
even before getting into that, keep something aside, maybe kind of a passive income or passive strategy, what I can say.
mm.
Don't give 100% into just to this, not just to this, any work you do, any 9 to 5, or any job or anything which gives you monthly salary.
Mm,
If I remember, I did not have any guide who could have said all this, Payal. I don't know where would I be now if somebody like me had told me all this maybe 10 years ago.
True, actually means I also started my career in 2005, so I can resonate with you. Okay, there was no guidance, and with me also it was like,
Correct.
okay, CA clear हो गया. I want to join this job. I want to earn because middle class में सबका एक यही सपना होता है. पढ़ाई पूरी करो and then
Correct,
just go.
correct.
Yeah.
Correct. And also try to be financially as strong as possible. Right from the first month you start earning, right? That will help you a lot. I mean, after some time, if you feel anything challenging and you want a break, who will
Mm.
help you, right?
Yes.
Don't spend everything what you earn.
Mm.
Keep aside something. Maybe even I can talk for hours about financial planning as well, because I'm also learning on the same path, like investing. I know how to do it effectively. What is that we can do even if you are getting a very low salary? You
Mm.
just have to have a right mindset, pile. It's a mindset, because by the time people are like 18 to 20, they're
Mm.
not so matured enough to face the world. They
Yes.
just go as the others, no, they just follow others, a bunch of people, right? But don't do that. Stick to
Mm.
your own decisions. See what is best for you.
Yes.
Do only that. Don't just do because somebody else is doing it.
Yeah. So Ravi, if you can share the major some key stressful events, if you can like
Yeah.
jot down ki these are really the like milestones which have in terms of stressful
Mm.
situations that have really impacted you
Okay.
and how you cope up with that.
Okay. The very, very important thing is like, okay. I mean, soon after you ask the question, what is coming up in my mind is my first day in my journey, 2006, August 16. That's my first day, first
Okay.
job, first day in the office. I remember I was the youngest guy in the whole room. I
Mm.
was just 18,
Yeah.
and most of them are like graduates, master graduates. I think
Mm.
all are above 25. One thing I noticed is it makes you feel very fearful when
Mm.
you don't know anything, but when a lot of your people or many of them knows many things.
Mm.
So that is kind of what I felt is a very, very stressful situation at that point of time.
Mm.
But what I could not do, what I did not do is I did not seek help, and I was not prompt enough to tell them that, hey, boss, I don't know this.
Yes.
I was in a feeling that okay, ओ क्या समझ सकते हैं, ओ क्या बोल देंगे. What if I
Mm.
say that I don't know this, because there are many people who already know this, and it's my
Mm.
first day. What could they see? And if you keep doing that, right, it will hamper you for longer time. So
Yes.
be very quick, be very smart, be very, very transparent. Seek
Mm.
help
Yes.
rather than saying that you know, but you get stuck and then feel
Yes.
stressful. Say that you don't know and you
Yes.
need enough time.
Yes.
Be prompt, and definitely there are a lot of good people in any industry who would help you.
Yes.
See, in corporate world, what I felt is people will love you when you are prompt.
Mm.
People will ignore you when you do all other no drama, and no, you talk in back of them. That is very bad. I mean, the second I was not doing the second one, but I
Mm.
was feeling shy or feeling hesitate to say no to
Mm.
something. So
Mm.
that's a very thing, because you're still, it is still a first day, right? You're
Yes.
still starting the journey. I mean, nobody will ask you to go out of your job.
Yes.
Take time, go step by step, go one step at a time, learn things. Take enough time. 1 hour में नहीं होगा, right?
Mm.
Let take 2 hours, take 3 hours.
Mm.
One day you'll come up, right? Rather than feeling stressful and feel as if you're not the right fit for your job.
Mm.
So that is one major thing which I think which is related to mindset, but it is up to people. I mean, they have to train themselves. They have to train their mind. This ego rata hai, like no shyness,
Mm.
hesitation, especially if you are a girl.
Mm.
There are a lot of men around you.
Mm.
I understand. I even understand. Being a girl,
Mm.
it's very difficult. So you cannot share all your feelings. It's very stressful. So
Yes. That's really very good to know that being a man, someone says that yes, he understands the feeling
correct.
what
I
girl.
understand.
Yes, because
Yes.
not many people.
Correct. Correct. I understand.
Mm.
Because they have their own physical and mental challenges, right? Because
Yes.
I know, because my wife, she is now 28 years old.
Mm.
I have been seeing her since last 8 years. I
Mm.
know. I mean, in terms of thinking abilities, and in terms of being at both at the work, and being a mother or being a sister or somebody at home, it's very, very challenging. you have to nurture yourself, then the job.
Yes.
Don't get stressful. Ask for help, people will help you.
Mm.
So
Yes, everywhere you, if you get
it's all about communication.
you get the good people also who help, because
Yeah,
not you will not
correct,
even get all the people who are going to help you out also. That is what I've experienced.
correct.
Yes, not everyone is going to help, but yes, you will find few good mentors also in your workplace.
Fine, yes.
So, like as we talked about the corporate work pressure, corporate culture, that feeling of
Mm,
unfulfillment. तो ये सब जब स्ट्रेस रहता है, एंड आई हैव माई सेल्फ सीन कि वो लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स भी हो जाते हैं, यू आल्सो सेड कि 9 to 5 का नहीं होता है.
mm,
तो हाउ इट इम्पैक्ट योर
yes.
फैमिली, योर पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, ऑब्वियसली उस पर भी बहुत इम्पैक्ट आता होगा. एंड स्पेशली
Yes.
आफ्टर दिस पोस्ट कोविड, जब पूरा वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हो.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
तो
The
हाउ इट
very first thing is, yeah, don't set wrong expectation with your family. I mean, right? I mean, when you start your career, I mean, within a few months, maybe within 6 months, you'll get to know quite idea or a picture of how things are working since last 6 months, how you see yourself being in an IT job. So definitely, बात होता रहता है ना family के साथ. You'll sit with them, have lunch, have dinner, right? Everybody is yours. Talk to them comfortably. Tell them this is the situation. You are feeling this, so that they will also have a feeling that okay, mera bacha or like whoever, my brother, husband, is doing this, and it's all for us. He's not doing just for himself, and also make them feel that they will not expect too many things from you, because it's IT. I'm telling you guys, it's IT. Again, it's not 9 to 5. Don't tell them that okay, after 5 I'll be with you for 3 to 4 hours. Let's go out. I'll also be there with weekends, right? So false promises. Sometime I tell you, Payal, you can't even take a single call being at office. 15 years I've seen many situations. So that's first thing. So when you set the right expectation with family, so I mean, first of all, there will be no chance of conflict at all, because they know you. They know you in detail. And the second thing is, try to spend some time with family. It's not that. I think second point is the other way around.
Yes.
Right? Try to spend. Just make sure weekend is completely with the family. It's up to you. 9 to 5, you stretch it or whatever. Monday to Friday, try to finish maximum things from your job side. Nobody will bother you. But don't even try to sit on even on Saturday, Sunday, where ऐसा हो जाता है कि one day your mother or wife will say, okay, ऐसा job किस लिए चाहिए? Which I have faced it. मेरा my mom बोल रही थी, because I had some back issues sitting for a long time. वो बोल रही थी हमको कम ही बस है, like I don't want to get this salary, but leave it. I want you to be feel happy and spend time with us, right? You just try to feel as if you are a mother or you are a kid or whatever. So that is something. I think if you manage to do this, there's no point of conflict. Everybody knows you.
Yes.
So
So it is more about like life management or the time management, how you are managing the things between your work,
yes, yes,
yourself, as well as with the family. So you should
correct.
manage
I
everything
think
effectively.
it's a chain. It's a chain, pile, because
Yes.
if you're not passionate about something, you don't love to do it for longer time. If you don't do want to love to do it for longer time, that means you try to spend or get yourself distracted with something else. That means you're extending your job, you're stretching yourself. Definitely personal time will go off.
Yes.
So it's a chain. I think we have to foundationally we have to be strong.
Yes.
It is like bottom to top. You have to see what is the root cause.
Yes. Correct.
So I think we can go for hours to
Yes,
hours.
no, this is the
While
topic
there are a
that we
lot of
can
things.
just keep on talking,
Yeah.
keep on discussing. These things are like
Yes. Yes.
discussing. So yes, I got to learn a lot from you about your challenges and how you face, how you try to overcome. So if at the
Mm,
end, so you have in all our talk, you have given the lot of guidance for
yeah.
youngsters only.
Mm,
So still specifically, if you want
mm,
to mention in the end, give what some message for them. And as I discussed with you that the
mm,
World Mental Health Day is also coming. So if you just want to give
yeah.
a message for that.
Okay. If you allow me, I would also be touching about physical and mental health, which I have
Yes,
not
yes.
spoken till now. Yeah, because yeah, that is the very important. I think
Mm.
crucial out of everything we discussed. We forget to take care of our body and mind, Payal. That is something which I have done, and I've had a lot of challenges. I'm still trying to come out. So take care of your body. Again, being an IT corporate world, you'll not be moving much, especially post COVID. You'll be sitting for a long time. You have to sit for a long time. There is no option. You will be in a lot of calls. You'll be in front of machine. No, you feel you have irritated eyes, or you don't feel energetic throughout the day.
Mm.
Your diet is very important. That is
Mm.
the very first thing. Don't think that I'll eat everything and I'll be energetic and I can manage my work.
Mm.
Whatever you eat, whatever you consume is directly proportion to your productivity at your job. That is first thing. And coming to mental health, uh, try meditating. Maybe I can say a few. Maybe it's a very big topics. Maybe because I followed Yoga Nidra, which
Okay.
helped me a lot. Meditation and also mindful meditation.
Mm.
Hear high frequency music while you work,
Mm.
and also stop your work. I mean to say, don't go in front of the computers or mobile
Mm.
just 1 or 2 hours before you sleep,
Mm.
because this is something which we forget, unknowingly we forget, while it's not that we don't know how to do it, but
Mm.
being in the work, uh, you started feeling less energetic, but you don't know why is it happening.
Mm.
But be conscious right from you wake up until you go to sleep. Be conscious about what you eat. Are you feeling energetic?
Mm.
And do some mental activities.
Mm.
Physical exercise is very important,
Mm.
which will generate the all these happy hormones.
Mm.
And at least I suggest at least 4 days a week,
Mm.
1 hour of exercise
Mm.
based on your health condition. So
Mm.
some will have some specific health issues. They can't do rigorous exercise. I practice yogasana regularly. I've also started doing workout, which helps me a lot. I know it's not easy getting up in the morning and doing it, but if you make a habit, right? I think you'll rock. I think nothing. This IT job is nothing for you. You'll feel very energetic throughout the day.
Mm.
Food, and also some kind of activities like meditation, where
Mm.
you can focus on something which helps you to concentrate on your work.
Mm. Yes.
So I hope that suffices, and it helps people.
Yes. Like it has
Yeah.
summarized everything in this. Like, take care of your physical health, take care of your mental health.
Yes.
Don't
Yes.
just run after money. Earn that is
Yeah.
sufficient for your needs. Take
Correct.
passive
Correct.
income for yourself, for your family.
Correct.
So just try to manage effectively everything. How you can manage
Yeah.
everything. So I
Just
just,
one more thing.
yes, yes.
One more thing. One more thing. Do you know why this richest person on the earth, like it could be, Jeff Bezos from Amazon, Bill Gates, no, Warren Buffett. Do you know why they are so rich? And what I grabbed out of them is
Mm.
they are physically and mentally very strong.
Yes.
See, so if you don't follow that, and if you are not energetic physically and mentally,
Mm.
money will not follow you. I think money will, run out of you. Like it will
Mm.
not stay with you for a long time. That's what I felt.
Yes.
Finally, a day will come where you feel like I need energy. I have money, but I don't have energy.
Energy.
I want to buy energy with
Mm.
the money I have. So
Yes.
don't get into that situation. Be energetic, mentally very strong. Definitely, if you are mentally very strong, see, ideas will flow like anything.
Mm.
Physically very strong, you don't feel any pain, and you're energetic to do anything.
Mm.
That will give. I think money will is just a byproduct of the value you add. It will keep following you. Don't run just for money. That's it's just a paper, right?
Yeah.
Money is still a paper. You
Mm.
start adding value. No, why? How do you add value? When you are physically mentally strong, then
Yeah.
only you can add some value to society. Even
Mm.
if myself and Payal are talking together, we
Yes.
are still energetic, right?
Yes.
Let's say if I had any issues, and if I had a headache, or no, if I'm not feeling energetic, why would I talk to Payal now?
Mm.
Think about it. Be conscious. Money will follow you, guys. Now I have money, but I still have a lot of other challenges which is not available in the market, which
Mm.
is not sold.
Yes.
I'm okay to give any some lakhs now, but I can't get what I want.
Mm.
Maybe peace of mind, good sleep, or whatever it is. So be very careful.
Yes. So
Just a
Brian,
suggestion. I'm not getting. I may not making you scared,
hmm,
but I think nobody did guide me all this. But I am
hmm.
guiding you. Take it very seriously. It will help you.
Yes, I'll say it's more about creating the awareness that you are doing. You are creating the
Yes.
awareness about the physical health as well as the mental
Yeah.
health, how important it is.
Correct. Correct.
We tend to ignore in earlier 10 years of our life, of our working life, especially in these
Yes.
earlier 10
Yes.
years, in
Yes.
the starting 10 years, we don't tend to
Ah.
do it. So thank you so much, Ravi, for giving us all the insights about your journey. I'm very sure my audience is going to love this and they are going to if they are going to follow this effectively, and they will have the peace of
Sure.
mind, physical body. And yes, obviously, we are working for money. Then money will follow you.
Yes.
So, if you are looking for any kind of guidance or mentorship, you are feeling you are lost in this IT world, then you can anytime connect with the Ravi. He'll be more than happy to guide you. So, I have mentioned his email ID in the description box. You can reach out to him, or if you have anything to share, some story which can inspire other, or have some inspiring thoughts from your life journey, then you can let me know through your comments. I'll definitely reach out to you, and don't forget to take care of your mental health, because healthy body के लिए भी healthy mind बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. Guys, don't ignore it, and always stay safe, happy and healthy. Bye bye.